Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of smart storage with the UUBEMM Clothes Storage Bins, designed to revolutionize your closet organization. These bins are crafted from strong Oxford fabric and feature a sturdy steel frame support, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. With dual zippers on the side and top, accessing your items has never been easier, and the clear front window lets you see exactly what's inside at a glance. The bins are stackable and foldable, making them perfect for maximizing space, and the interior metal frame keeps them rigid and square, offering a neat and attractive alternative to bulky plastic bins. Not only do they protect your belongings from moisture, odor, and dust, but they also have a longer lifespan than non-woven fabric options, making them ideal for storing seasonal clothes, blankets, towels, and more. The thoughtful design includes side handles for easy lifting and a small vinyl pocket for labeling, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. Whether you're tidying up your closet or preparing a guest room, these storage bins are the perfect solution for a clean and organized space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.